Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Samsung washing machines, and in the event that that drum icon is blinking red, we're going to show you what to do. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, inside the laundry room right now, and on the left-hand side, we have our Samsung washing machine. On the right-hand side, our Samsung dryer. And here is our display panel. It's got a couple different icons, and this icon right there, that is a sparkling drum. And anytime that illuminates red or begins blinking, that is the washing machine telling you that you must run a self-cleaning cycle, which you can find right there. So that is exactly what we are going to do. And here is the product that we purchased, and as you can see, deodorizes, cleans, and optimizes. There's the washing machine, 3 multi-use pouches. So what we'll do is open it up. At this point, I've got one pouch removed from the box. It says, "Your machine say thank you." That's pretty cool. And on the side of the box is the one-step instruction. Pour contents of 1 pouch into empty washer tub and run on normal cycle using hot water settings. Normal cycle, hot water. If you have a front load, that's how you pour it in. Or if you have a top loader, that's how you pour it in. So from here, what we'll do is grab the scissors, cut the top, and open up the washing machine and pour it in. Inside the pouch, you'll notice that you do have a couple large dry spots. Go ahead and just carefully press those together. It's a really good idea to do this before you cut the pouch open. Just kind of mash those together. From here, we are just going to carefully add it. And again, the instructions call for the entire pouch to be emptied. From here, go ahead and carefully close your door, power up your washing machine, and don't do anything with your selector knob. Go ahead and select self-clean until that illuminates, and you'll notice right away it selects extra hot, extra high, and the selector knob, you'll notice the blue indicator is nowhere to be seen. So again, it's basically locked that out for the self-cleaning process, and go ahead and select play. And from here, you just let it run its self-cleaning cycle. And for those of you that are wondering if this is 3 minutes and 51 seconds or 3 hours and 51 minutes, it is 3 hours and 51 minutes. 3 hours and 23 minutes to go, and we can hear a lot of water splashing around inside that washing machine. I got the camera pressed against the washing machine door. Making progress, 48 minutes to go. So that is it, DIYers. The 3 hour and 50 plus minute cycle is complete, and now what we're going to do, open it up. First glance, it does look cleaner than it did prior to running the self-clean cycle. DIYers, that is it. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.